back on the Ninja once again. More practice. Practice forever and ever, probably. It's time to idle up. Let's go 3,000 today. Maybe a cunt hair under 3K, maybe like 2,900. It's right at 3K. Lots of gravel over here. Sheesh. I think we're gonna lower tire pressure just a little bit because I think I'm still kinda sorta high on tire pressure. Maybe not. It doesn't feel like very much in there, but I think we can go a little bit less. Try not to touch that rotor. I'm sure it's a little warm. Alright, that might help. If it doesn't, it's because I suck. It's a me problem. Fuck. Kickstand down. helped. Alright, I decided to do one more second gear rolling burnout before break time. So we're gonna do that. And hopefully it goes well. Find a shady place to hang out. Peace for now. Alright, we're back. More wheelies. Idles set at 3K. in burnouts to go like as slow as I can. So maybe I'll try that. Right here.